And I'll describe another direction that we can go today, but I think that it would be very detrimental, only because of the timing of everything. It would throw him into probation court along with the TRO and everything else. In other words, there would be latches at that time, something that you do have to pay attention to. The other option is the fact that each participant can ask for a 14-day extension once. I have used my 14-day extension he has not. Now, one of the things that he is not entitled to is a lawyer. So, trying to get a lawyer for this ain't gonna work. Oh, look. It's Hotel Meth. Anyway, let's get rid of this place. He can ask for his 14-day extension. But by that time, I will have pushed this through to the prosecutor's office. Some of the things I can do is file a mandamus is what it's referred to, and the mandamus would apply to the clerk's office. And I will give them no more than 5 days to comply. Which puts him right at 14 days. Okay, that all this would be happening. Prosecutor's office at that point would pick up the charges. He will be called I'm wearing white. I am not rolling cigarettes with that all dripping on me either. Let's go get cigarettes. One thing I am definitely going to be doing today is smoking. You see, I have a very deep phobia dealing with police and stuff now. All because of the false shit that they've accused me of all this time to begin with. All right. So yes, I have a huge phobia dealing with this matter. Um, Not easy to escape either. Ooh, I love that rack. Anyway, yeah. I had to add $200 or $300 for expenses, okay, into this because they call it a suit. Why not add the $300 in expenses? I can motion in order to do that. I might do that, then give him a copy when he arrives. But I don't see all the BS, going through rigmarole. It is perfectly reasonable at $200, $250, $300 between filing fees, getting FOIA requests and stuff like that, and all the gas that I've spent. Hell, I did track the gas I spent because the only thing I left was for legal reasons for a week and a half. And that was $150 by itself. Running back and forth between the sheriff's department and the question is whether or not I can enter that into that legal environment. They have restrictions to the legal environment, which is completely bullshit. They want to keep civil and criminal separate. That's great, but you're a general court. The clerk's office refusing that and present it directly to the judge, to the clerk in the court of the judge, the criminal complaint. In his presence. To not do that, they're going to have to explain in record, aren't they? That's a little better. Now I got cigarettes. All right. No, it wasn't really. I mean, it wasn't terribly expensive, but after you get so many $20 bills and FOIA requests, yeah, you can be. So you got to add them up in order to see the dents. Cost me just about everything I had in reserve. Um, when I switched over to the phone call, that wasn't broadcasting, was it? I don't think so because I had to log back in. But very nice lady. She sent me $300 just recently, another $200 a few days ago. Yeah. So total, she sent me $500 so far, which really made a huge difference. Different people keep giving me little hints that I am being watched. What I'm doing is being watched, and I have help I'm not familiar with. Help that I don't know about yet. I don't realize I'm getting this help. I'd like to see it. I'd like to know it's there. I'd like to know it's there. These people are not young brats either. They're people in the know, people that are supposed to be there. Now, an example of that help might be the city DA and the county DA trying to work with me, or the fact that I haven't been arrested sitting at their desk all this time. Maybe that's an indication I do have help that I'm not aware of. But according to what they're saying, I'm supposed to have help with all this mess. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put you in the pocket for just a second and I'll be right back. I'm still going to talk to you. There we go. Get up here to the shade, read what the hell's going on. Now, I'm not going to take you through to the clerk's office. He's been very candid with me in ideas and trying to help. What time is the hearing? 1 o'clock. Now, whether I close the gallery or not, what do you think? Should I close the gallery? Because I could motion to close the gallery, so there's only the participants of the trial there. He may want that. No, he's not going to want that. He's all about the drama. He's all about the drama. All right, well, I'm going to go in. I'm going to come back on and let you know what's going on after I get done with the clerk's office.